H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Like these tables, sys.types and objects, I used to expand these tables and I used to search for the column. Even I got a requirement, like we had a column name called name of the person, which has varchar 20, but some names are very more than 20, so we got a requirement saying can you change it to from varchar 20 to varchar 30. So I expanded this. I don't know that time about this sys.columns and objects, so I expanded all the tables and I verified whether the column is there or not. In the process of manual process, I missed to do first two tables. So when it went to testing, tester has executed this. I came to know about this from testers only. Like we have these three tables. Any questions here? So I will explain again if you wanted, but you should be really clear on these three tables. Anyone has any questions? Yeah, Sharon. Yeah.
How we are checking that it's already expanded or not? Clear that part.
Okay. Yeah. Let me say this. Okay. So anyone wants to take this? I will can explain. Anyone explain? Like now, I will tell another question. So I want to change the, for example, I have tables like this. So I want to change the product ID column. I want to change the product ID column to big int. So how to verify where all the tables I have product ID? Who will explain me? Yeah, Aruna.
Hello.
Yeah, Aruna, go ahead. Yeah.
To see the columns, system columns, like we are going to retrieve the results for in which table we have the order ID. Order ID, you said, right?
Yeah, product ID.
Oh, product ID. So,
Yeah.
so we are going to use select star from sys columns. Where
Okay.
Name is going. Their name is going to be is equal to product ID.
Perfect.
And when we will get the result?
Let me verify. Okay, I got the result. Okay.
Result we got it. Yeah. So now we have two object IDs, and it is in. Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead, please.
Now we have two object IDs and product product IDs. So we are going to. We are going to see in which names based on this project based on this object ID.
Yeah, Chandra is adding to this. Chandra, please go ahead.
So we'll see select start from or select what was that? Where object ID in these two.
Which table? I want to verify that.
Start from sys object.
Okay.
Where object ID in these two.
Perfect. Yeah. Even Aruna, I think you are also adding the same thing here. Yeah, this is perfect. So I need to copy this and I need to paste here. I need to get the object IDs. So now this is how we need to get it. So now when I execute this, I got that these two tables are having product ID. Now as a tester, what I will do is I will go to this products table and I will expand it, and I will see that the columns whatever I have, okay, I have product ID and this is integer, so this is not being changed to begin. So I will tell the developer that man, we have I'll raise a defect saying like this column has not been modified to begin. Okay, so now to how many of you is it not clear? I think Aruna and Chandra has got it clearly. So how about others? Yeah. Okay. Now we have two more things which. Okay, I got a question saying like if we need to change the data type, how do we need to do it? So we need to use alter script. So we need to use alter script to change the data type. Okay. So for example, even I don't remember the syntax, but this is how you do: alter table, and the table name, for example, products, and then we need to write for example, I want to change product ID to begin. Let's see whether this works or not. Okay, let me execute this. Alter table, table name products, and column name I'm making begin. So let me execute this. There is something wrong here. Alter table, we need to give here, for example, alter column, I guess. Let's see whether this works or not. Or I need to give modify. Let me execute this. I don't remember the syntax, but if you want to, let me show you the syntax. How I will do is, normally I will right click on this. Okay, so there are two ways to do it. One is you can write an alter statement, or see, I got a question saying like how do I change the data type of integer to begin. So one way is to do alter table, or the other way is you can actually right click on this and you can actually do design. So when you select design, it will show you all the data types. See, now I have product ID integer, I have product name varchar20, and I have price. So I can simply write here begin. That's it. So now if I close it, okay. So let's verify whether it's got changed or not. Since it has some data, it is not allowing us. I think we need to use alter script here. So let's try to do it using alter. So let me try to recollect the syntax. So
when data is present, it may not allow, as well as if there are any related tables, right?
But normally why it will not allow is, here we are trying to convert integer to begin, so there should not be a problem of data loss. See, assume that when we try to convert begin to integer, there might be chances like a data can have very large value which cannot be fit in integer, but it should allow when we are doing it from integer to begin, because all the values whatever stored in integer can be stored in begin. So what we can do is we can try to write a let me show you. We have something called SQL server MSDN forum, so where we can actually get all the references. For example, MSDN, when you want to search anything related to SQL server or Microsoft, right, just type MSDN, don't type directly Google directly alter table. So MSDN alter table. Okay, so now if you see here, you can see the syntax. See, always search for MSDN space alter table. If you do straight away alter table, you will get from lot of websites where people are typing it, but always referring MSDN website is better. So let me open this, and then you can see the syntax here. So there are different syntax. You can go here and see that they will have some example. See here, alter table my table, alter column name. This is what we need to write. So let me see here, see the syntax. Alter table, table name, and then alter column, column name to new data type. Okay, so let's go back here and we'll see what is the mistake we did. Alter table, table name, and then here alter column, column name, and then we gave here begin. That's all. This is the syntax. So let me execute this. Okay, so now this is not allowing me to change it. The reason is we have this product ID as primary key. This is what I think, Chandra, you are adding here, right? It will not allow because right? Yeah. Since we already have this as primary key and we already have it as foreign key reference as well, it is not allowing us. So first what we need to do is I think I need to modify this in the other table. So what is other table? We have products table, and what is the other table here? We have orders table. So let's see whether that works here or not. Orders. Okay, it is not allowing. So in this case what we need to do is, okay, so if it is not allowing, we need to take backup of the table, and then we need to remove the primary key, and then we need to modify. Okay, so anyway, that will be again we need to remove the link between these two tables, and then we need to do it. Anyway, let's not worry about it, but normally how to do this is, let's take any data type which is not a primary key or foreign key. For example, let's take employee table. In employee table I have first name is varcat20. So if you want to modify first name to varcat25, what I will do is alter table employee, and I will write here alter column first name, and I am changing it to varcat25. Now it will definitely change. See now, it's got changed. Now when you refresh it, as of now still you are seeing 20 here. Just refresh it. When I refresh this employee and expand these columns, I can see that the first name has been changed to 25, varcat25. Okay, so this is how we do it. So you should be very careful when you have primary keys or when you have some foreign key references. It will not it is not straight away easy to alter the column names. You have to remove the link between them, and you have to remove the foreign primary key, and then only you can do that. Okay, so anyway, for now you should be clear on these two tables: sys.column, sys.objects, and sys.types. Okay, now next question to all of you.
I have a question.
Yeah.
If you remove the primary foreign key,
Yeah.
you'll be changing the relationship between the tables.
No, you will again add them. Once you change the column type to big int, again you will add the relation and the primary key. Just for that.
And then
Yeah.
once you add the primary key, but the data has changed, won't the relationship change, or it won't?
No, it will not change any relation there. See, it is not something like you remove the relation and you keep it as it is. So for that moment you have to change, you have to remove the relation and change the column name. Immediately you create the foreign key again. So it will be again, the relation will be intact again. Okay, but anyway, that these things will be taken care by developers. So only thing which you should keep in mind is how to verify, how to validate this. Even I don't think you will be required to write alter queries or alter statements and all. Okay, even till now as I said, I only changed for name from varcat20 to varcat25. Okay, so now, okay, two more things we have. I don't want to add more confusion to this. So we have two more system things which you have to remember. So the three things which we already discussed is sys.objects, sys.columns, and sys.types. Now I'll ask a question to all of you. How can I see what are all the columns I have in what are the columns I have in my if I want to see the description, whether I have